Hello, Fuggler fans. Another one from the new Fuggs on the Block collection. And this one is called Captain Cardiac, like heart attack. And there's some images of some other ones from the collection. Let's see, this collection probably came out originally in 2024. I apologize for the lighting, I'm not at home right now. But this is new. It's got two tape dots here. I like the cardboard packaging, it's not too polluting. Some branding up there. Come with caution. And this one fills up the box nicely. So it's your standard 22, 23 centimeter, 9-inch medium sized Fuggler. And we got a pretty long hair on this one. It's a very vibrant pink. It's almost like a neon in this lighting. Like this I pretty much feel is pink, but this is crazy pink, and then that would be red. Alright, well, you can take a comb or a brush and clean this up the hair and stuff, but I don't have that right now. Again, I'm at home. It's interesting because the thing has legs, but then it's got the valves, or well, not the valves, the plumbing to go to the heart. Boy, I don't know what they are. They're not aortas, are they? I think there's one aorta. I don't know my biology, but 2 inlets and 2 outlets to get blood in and out of there. All right, and then we have 4 upper teeth. That's it though, none on the bottom. And the mouth here, I would say, is pink in color. So, well, you know what, maybe it's not. Maybe it's orange, because this I would call pink again. So an orange mouth with some teeth. The mouth seems crooked, so you might have to manipulate the fill inside to get things to show a little the way you want. Either a giant mouth like that, or maybe show the teeth like this. Anyways, the teeth are really nice looking. They're kind of yellowed like real human teeth. They are plastic, by the way. And then it's interesting, the heart-shaped eyelids here. It's the only Fuggler I'm aware of with heart-shaped eyelids. You can see the stitching here. It matted down this shag. You could take like a toothpick and get a lot of that out, but I think it'll probably block off a lot of this stuff, so maybe I'll leave it alone. What color are the eyes on this thing? They're orange, if I had to guess. Maybe you can see, but there's a little ring of color around these things. It's just the pupils are so dilated on these. You know what? This one doesn't look orange. I think it has an orange one on this side. I can't even tell, but this could be purple or pink. Sorry again for the lighting. There's a lot of gunk underneath this eyelid. And sadly, they're scratched as well, because cardboard is abrasive, and I have a suspicion the box in front of it may have scratched up the eyes of this thing. I wish they put tape, or maybe not tape, just a plastic band, you know, around this thing to protect the eyes. Or just put the thing in a bag, really. Alright, this one has a non-standard button. I believe this button is white. It's hard to tell, this lighting in this room is so bad, but yeah, I have a Catch Me, I think they're called, where the button is not a standard tan color. We have a white one that says Fuggler and trademark there. Wow, this lighting is horrible. I turned on an additional light. I still don't know what color that is. It's kind of like a really light pink or purple. Alright, well anyhow, I'm going to have to try to take some plastic polish to these eyes later. And yeah, so hopefully you can see now the eye color in here looks like it could be purple, but in here it's orange, if I had to guess. There's a lot of stuffing in this thing. This one's really fat. Alright, I'm not at home, so I don't have much to compare it to, but I did open up the Baby Pinkle set, and this is Hardy McFarty, I think it is, so I think this is supposed to be a baby version of this thing in some sort of context. But at the same time, no, maybe not, because this thing doesn't actually have arms, Captain Cardiac. It just has the plumbing to get to the heart, whereas this clearly looks like a heart with arms. So yeah, I guess they're called two different things for a reason. They're not the same. They're cousins. Let's say this is the nephew of this one right here. They're both funny looking, but this is much funnier looking, I think. Yeah, the crooked mouth. I don't think they're designed to be crooked. It's just that I think these are hand sewn, so there's a lot of irregularities and imperfections in them. But that's what makes them look more natural, to me at least. Alright, that's it for today. We'll see you next time around. Thanks for watching.